Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Nazwa Sapitri and beside me,
Hello, my name is Yumiatul Hatimah.
we'd like to talk about getting our laptop started.
Hello, my laptop has a problem and suddenly won't turn on.
Hello, I see. When did this problem start?
It started last night.
After I shut it down. Did you notice anything unusual before that?
Yes, it was getting very hot while I was using it.
That could be an operating issue. Let me check your laptop.
Okay, please help me fix it.
I will open it and check the battery and internal parts.
Is it a serious problem?
Don't worry, I think it can be repaired. I'll let you know the result soon.